drive ng go-kart?
Dili daw. What did you do? Helicopter?
Ato lang.
Huh?
You know how to open the car?
Huh? It's alright. It's two here, two? Or I will open it. Or just one? Two.
You press whatever your number, darling, okay?
I will be the driver. Okay.
It's gonna be very bumpy.
Really?
Yeah.
We don't have seatbelt.
You just hold on to these.
Ready?
Okay, it's very bumpy. Hold on to your phone very good.
Hello. Mama scared. Oh, Jesus. Where are we? Hello, hello. Wait, where are we, Jasmine? How you stop it, John? Can you stop it?
No.
How many hours is this? How many minutes? Wait, I don't want to do this again. Lord. Yun ako mo sa malimig. Finish? How many minutes is this? How many minutes is this? Uy, akong kabuhi, nilupan na. Wow! Hello, where are we? Where are we, Jasmine?
We're nearly done.
Well, I don't want to do this again. Uy, what's that big rock? Uy, Maria Jose, ginawa ka bang mga langin? Uy, ginawa ko. Uy, ginawa Maria Jose. Where are we? Is that in the snow now? Uy, ginawa ko. La, 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 la. Uy, dyan, gikabuhi na ito.
We're nearly done.
Almost done?
Uh-huh.
Done?
Yep.
Alright, thank you, Lord.